A proportion is made up of two ratios that are equal. And if you recall, a ratio is the comparison of one number to another number, such as hours to pay or miles to gallons. Ratios are typically written as fractions, such as A over B, which is pronounced A to B. An example of a ratio could be slices of cheese pizza to slices of pepperoni pizza. If a pizza joint sold 40 slices of cheese pizza and 15 slices of pepperoni pizza, then the ratio of cheese to pepperoni would be 40 to 15. And this fraction can be reduced as both numbers are divisible by 5, which results in 8 to 3 as the ratio. Again, a proportion is made up of two ratios that are equal. And to determine if a proportion is true, you check to see if their cross products are equal. The cross products are found by multiplying the numerator of the first fraction, or ratio, by the denominator of the second fraction, and multiplying the denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction, and if these values are equal, the proportion is true. This is often written as A over B equals C over D if A times D equals B times C. For example, the proportion 4 to 3 equals 16 to 12. Is this proportion true? Checking the cross products, we have 4 times 12, the numerator of the first fraction times the denominator of the second fraction, and this equals 48. Next, we have 3 times 16, the denominator of the first fraction times the numerator of the second fraction, and this equals 48. 48 equals 48, so this proportion is true. Many times in proportion problems, you're required to find an unknown value, such as in the proportion y over 9 equals 25 over 45. In this case, we'll use the method of cross products to set up an equation to find the value of y. We have y times 45 equals 9 times 25, and 9 times 25 equals 225, giving us 45y equals 225. To get the y alone, we can divide both sides by 45. So y equals 225 over 45, and 225 divided by 45 equals 5. So we get a final answer of y equals 5. And here are a couple more examples on the screen for you of solving a proportion for unknown values. Alright my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.